thought love was only true in fairy tales, meant for someone else, but not for me.
You can definitely see some progress over here, because there used to be a huge dirt gravel mound over there, and now it's not over there. There's one here though. I'm not sure if that one's been there, but the one over there is gone now. So that's kind of cool. There's some footers. This area is a lot more clear now, so that's really interesting. So there are actually two structures being built over there right now. I'm not sure if one's the station and one is like the storage building for the extra trains or something like that. I'm not really sure. Also interesting to see that support structure right there. Looks like it could potentially be structure of a coaster. I'm not entirely sure. They are connected to footers. It's pretty hard to tell at this point. And there's a lot more expansion past that way where the coaster is going to go. And it's going to be really interesting to see an Intamin Hyper next to a B&M Hyper. I think this is the only park that's going to have that, actually. An Intamin and a B&M Hyper. So that's going to be really interesting to see. You can like compare the two. That's going to be fascinating.